Okay guys, today what I'm going to show you is how are we going to do the glass etching. Okay, I hope you can be able to see. Okay, so these are the glass etching. Okay, first of all, I did cut out the vinyl stencils like this. Okay, so I am using a Siser Julietor to be able to cut this mask down here. Okay, thereafter you beat all the other rest out to expose the glass. You stick it onto the glass, make sure you actually cover it properly because we're going to use the Armour Etch. Alright, so after when you have covered it all with mask, okay, the next step that I'm going to do is open up your Armour Etch cream. It's basically an etching cream. Okay, do use a popsicle stick, right, because these are extremely corrosive. So this is how I do it. Okay, I'll show you how it's being done. So just apply it on. Okay, just to cover the whole thing. Okay, basically it will take effect immediately. So if you can be able to wait for a minute, it will be great. Okay, so even if, let's say for example, if you leave it for a long time, it doesn't really make any effects onto the glass. All right, so basically once the cream touches this glass surface, all right, it will immediately etch onto the glass itself to make it frosty look. Okay, so this is how it's been done. You can leave it for a minute or so. Let me just let it stand and close the jar off. Okay, so leave this aside. Okay, so you just have to wait for a minute. Okay, there basically what I am going to do, I'm just use a wet rag to clean it off. Right, then after we remove all the whole mask of it to reveal the etching of it. So I think it's almost done. Okay, just to make sure that everything is covered. If you turn at the back, so just to make sure everything has been covered with the etching cream. Okay, so this etching cream is not reusable. All right, so just take note on that. So I think I'm done, so I'm just using the rag to clean this thing off. Okay. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is we'll just remove the okay, so I think you can be able to see. Okay, so I'll just remove the other rest and then I'll show you you dry it and you can be able to see the actual thing of it. Okay, so we are back. Alright, so this is the effect of it. Okay, so if I take my reading tool to actually scratch it, you can be able to hear that it's being etched onto the glass. So it's not going to come up, or if you can be able to remove it, it's done onto the glass itself. Alright, so they are totally done. Okay, so you can see clearly right now, it's really neat. Okay, so it's really neat. Okay, so this is the process of how are we going to do the glass etching onto this wine glass by using this product called Armour Etch. Right, so this is what I used. So I'll see you in the next one.